Hi guys, I'm back with one more video today on riskless real estate. In today's video, let's learn little about Pharmacity. I got this question from many people. Saurabh, is Pharmacity a buzz or is it really going to come? What are your thoughts on it? So today I'm going to share my opinion on Pharmacity. In fact, I've visited physically twice there. I've seen the developments happening there, or whatever is going around there. There is a Amazon data center coming up there. There is a road which is already being laid. There is a big power station. So I've seen some things there which I can share with you. Apart from that, I've done research as well. Okay, and I'm going to share that research with you in today's video. I'll share my screen right now in some time, and I'll share with you the documentation, the proof that Pharmacity is not just a buzz. It is a planned thing which has got NIM status from central government. And how these things are planned, what survey numbers were. Let's do some survey and let's understand about Pharmacity in detail today. Yeah, so let's go to my screen. Guys, I hope you can see my screen now. I have opened Google Maps. So first let me show you where is this Pharmacity coming in first place. So this side is the south of Hyderabad. On the south of Hyderabad, you can see Tukuguda. Okay, this is Tukuguda exit. ORR, Outer Ring Road exit, and just close to, and the next, which is after Raviral exit, there is Bangalore exit. Okay, now Bangalore exit exits to a highway called as Nagarjuna Sagar Highway. Okay, and Tukuguda exits at Srisalem Highway. So this Pharmacity is coming between Sagar Highway and Srisalem Highway. So if assuming we exit at Tukuguda, we go straight. Okay, if we keep going straight, we will reach to a point. I'm sure you would have heard these names: Kadtal, Mucharla. Okay, all these names are very famous. You can hear these names quite frequently: Kandukur, Kadtal, Mucharla. So this is where the Pharmacity starts towards Srisalem Highway. Okay, and from here, from Srisalem Highway till Sagar Highway. So Sagar Highway, as we saw from Bangalore, okay, we take Ibraipatnam route. From that Ibraipatnam route, Agapalli, okay, we reach Yacharam. Now, Yacharam is the place. Yacharam, Nandi Vanaparthi, again you would have heard this name, Medpalli. These are the places which are towards Sagar Highway where Pharmacity is coming up. It's between Yacharam and Kandukur, or you can say between Srisalem Highway and Sagar Highway, almost 19,333 acres. 19,333 acres is the Pharmacity. Okay, and as you can see here on the map, you can see a road which is connecting this road, right, which is connecting Yacharam to Kandukur. Okay, you can see Mir Khan Pet in between. So this Mir Khan Pet in between is something where Amazon data center is coming up. Okay, it's a big Amazon data center which is coming up. Already phase 1 work is almost done, at the verge of conclusion. Phase 2 is starting. Now this is a big road, a 400 feet road which is getting laid right now. This road will connect Srisalem Highway with Sagar Highway. It's a huge road, and on the same road you will see a big power grid. It's a huge power grid just beside Amazon data center. It's a huge one. Almost 220 kV power grid is already available. Yeah, so this is in the map where Pharmacity is coming up. Now the question is it really coming up? That's a question. I was doing my research because initially even I was assuming it's a buzz. It is just to hype the rates of real estate. They're telling all this news. But when I did my own research, when I Googled, when I typed pharma news, okay, I could find a couple of documents. The first document which I found was this document. Okay, now this is Telangana State Industrial Infrastructure Corporation Limited, TSIIC document. You can go to this website and you can download this document. So you can see proposed for Hyderabad Pharmacity at Kandukur, Yacharam, Kadtal mandals. There is a map as well, and they have planned it quite well. Okay, you can see the location, project site location with latitude and longitude. Okay, they have given what all is going to come up there: pharma manufacturing unit, city townships, university, R&D centers, and they have planned corridors as well. And if you can see, they have checked what all we need to make it successfully happen. So they have said, okay, what is the water requirement, what is the power requirement, and already there is a very big power station available there, and you will need almost like close to 16 lakhs manpower to finish this project. Okay, or in the sense, maybe once it becomes operational, almost 16 lakhs people will be working here. Nearest railway station is Shadnagar, airport is close by. So you can see a lot of these details are being mentioned. This is the map, and they have mentioned what are going to come. So this is a big document. I'll share this document in the link if possible. Okay, and they check the soil, the ambient air quality, water quality. So they have checked all this. You can read this document; it's quite in detail. And finally, in the end, you can see survey numbers as well. Okay, in Medipalli, in Yacharam Mandal, what all survey numbers? If you see, Yacharam has a lot of survey numbers. Yacharam has huge survey numbers. Like majority are in Yacharam and Kadtal is what I understand. Kadtal and Yacharam has huge survey numbers. So these are even the survey numbers which are planned to be acquired. And if you can see here, category of like yet to be acquired, this many acres, private land, government land. So they have even mentioned what is the land and how much they have acquired and how much they'll acquire in the future, from whom they'll acquire is also they have mentioned here. And this is one document. Second document which also I wanted to share was, let me share that. This is one more document which I really wanted to share with you. This again I downloaded from internet. This is in detail. This is like around 80-90 pages. Pre-feasibility report, which was published in 2016, again by TSIAC. This is quite detailed. In this, you can even see the plans which they have for this pharma city. Okay, so project cost estimate, land acquisition cost, block cost, external linkages. So a lot of details are mentioned here, and identification. So you can see a lot of details are here. To make Hyderabad NIMS, which consists of pharma manufacturing related activities. So this is NIMS status they plan for this. And they have decided already, right? There will be a pharma manufacturing in 13,000 acres, pharma township in around 1593 acres, pharma university in 630 acres, R&D center in 4080 acres. And they have decided, okay, this is NIMS, pharma manufacturing unit, township. You can see this is quite in detail. Okay, and apart from that, they will even decided that, okay, we are going to, Aurobindo is going to occupy 250 acres, Balaji MNs are going to acquire 100 acres, Dr. Reddy's 200 acres. So even the land pooling, Heathrow has 250 acres. So they are even requesting of this much of land to be occupied by them. Okay, now this is quite in detail. If you see, I can go on and on and on. Export quality, domestic. So a lot of details are given here. And in fact, there is a map as well, which I want to show you. So if you see here, when they were selecting alternate sites, they were looking for options. So one was Kesaram, second was Mucherla, the one which we are talking about, third was Yedilirthi, and fourth was Lakadaram. Sorry, yeah, Lakdaram. So now finally they have finalized this because it has, see, it extends more than 12,350 acres, which is eligible for NIM status. And they already have 220 kV substation of TS Transco into site. So this was most feasible option, okay, for them. And there's a water source already, how far and all, it's clearly mentioned. Krishna River flows at 95 kilometers to the south, with Nagarjuna Sagar around 80 kilometers. So they have even planned the water source. They have analyzed the site, how far Zahirabad is, Bhuvanagari is, etc. So they have already seen all the feasibility analysis. How far is Nagarjuna Sagar Highway? So this is quite detailed report. I request you to read this report. I'll try to put a copy of this even in the description. Okay. If you see, we keep going down. Okay, they even reserve forest. So it's quite in detail. Oh my God, this is like too much detail. You can just go on and on. This is the map, pharma map. Okay. This map, you will see many companies are using this map as well to show you where their project is. So this is the map. This is the manufacturing unit, right? This is the map. Pharma manufacturing, common amenities, green area. A lot of things are mentioned here. Pharma city township, this one. So this map is also there. So quite in detail, it's mentioned. We cannot read the whole map in this or the whole document in this, but whatever I understand, see, the nearest railway station is Shadnagar railway station. They are showing the Shadnagar. And again, see the connectivity, rail connectivity, Shadnagar railway station. Then airport is close by. So they have done all the analysis. Yeah. So this document also confirms me that this is not something woo woo which is just in air. It's not going to happen. It's definitely going to happen. You can see a lot of details in this report. Okay. Now, apart from this, I did even general survey on. I just googled Pharmacity news, latest news, and I found this is the latest April 15, 2021. Hyderabad Pharmacity to have 306 crores housing colony, like state to offer land sites to farmers. Okay, so people whose land is being acquired, they are planning to give them a house, is what I understand from this report. This is the latest report, and even KCR. This is again January 2021. Pharma City project should not be politicized. So he's saying it's a great prestige to Hyderabad. We should not do this. So, and if you apart from this, if you just type Pharma City, let me do that. Pharma City, you get even Wikipedia. You can just click Wikipedia. You can see it's world's largest manufacturing industrial park being established near Hyderabad by government of Hyderabad, India, by government of Telangana. Okay. Now this has even got NIM status, which means National Investment Manufacturing Zone, which means even central government is going to fund this project. So this is not just a hype, or I would say this is not something which is just created to create demand in real estate. This is definitely going to happen. It may take some time, but it's bound to happen. It will happen because it's quite specific work which is being done already, which I can see by seeing these reports. So my conclusion, see, investing near Pharmacity is an option, is a good option, but you should be ready to hold the property for long term. It's not that you just invest and you want to sell it off in 1 2 years and then you say I'm at loss. No, when you invest in these kind of projects, big projects, near these projects, make sure that you hold the property and try to buy at a cheaper price. If you're already buying at premium, then better you buy near city. If you get somewhere around 5,000, 6,000, then I'm sure you can think of buying something near Pharmacity. If you're buying around 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, then doesn't make sense. Probably you'll get a better HMD layout closer to Maheshwaram, or even in Mumbai Highway in that case. So if you are looking to invest in limited money, like if you are willing to invest 5,000 rupees or 6,000 rupees per square yard, then it makes sense to invest near to Pharmacity. You can invest either in Yacharam area, which is Sagar Highway, or you can invest even in Sri Salam Highway near Kartal. It's up to you. But economical, DDCP approved layout, RERA approved layout is what I would recommend. And I know a couple of projects. If you're really interested to invest there, let me know. I'll help you with that. Yeah. Chalo, then I hope you got some clarity now with Pharmacity. It was a question which was asked for long. So I'll end this video here. Please mention your comments, what you understood from this video and what video you're expecting. What kind of topic should I choose in upcoming videos? Please mention in the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon with a new video. Thank you.